Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. We'll continue first chapter today, and in this video we are going to do review exercise. Means we are going to revise what we have done till now. Let's get started. Okay, open your book, page number 22, and we'll do first question, which is write in hundreds, tens, and ones. Okay, we have to write these numbers in hundreds, tens, and ones, just like this question is done, and we have already done this before. So let's start. I will not do all the parts because we have already done this. So let's do the B part. How many hundreds are here? This one is ones, tens, and hundreds. So there are 6 hundreds here. How many tens are here? 9 tens. And how many ones are here? 3 ones. So this is how we write hundreds, tens, and ones. Now let's do this one. How many hundreds are here? 4 hundreds. And how many tens are here? 0 tens. And how many ones are here? 9 ones. And I'm leaving this part for you. You have to do this by yourself. Now the next question is, what number does the abacus show? Okay. Just like this first part is done, and we have done this before. In hundreds rod there are 2 beats, so hundreds rod is showing 2 digit. In tens there are 5 beats, so it's showing 5. And in ones rod there are 3 beats, so it's showing 3. Now here, how many beads are here in hundreds rod? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 beads in hundreds rod. So write 6. In tens rod 2, and in ones rod let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So there are 8 beads in ones rod. So it's showing 628. Okay. In next part, how many beads are here in 100? 4 beads. So we'll write 4 here. And in tens rod there are 0 beads. There is no rod in tens, so it's showing 0. And in ones rod there are 6 beads, so it's showing 6. So it's 406. And this part you have to do by yourself. Okay, now next question is write the numbers that are, okay, what is this symbol? This symbol is greater than. So we have to write the numbers that are greater than 688. And what is this symbol? Less than. And less than 695. It means we have to start from 680. What comes after 688? Will not write 688, because we have to write the numbers that are greater than this one and less than this one. And it's already done. What's greater than 688? 689, then 90, 691, 692, 693, and 694. And after 694 there comes 695. Okay, now let's do the B part. This symbol is for less than, so we have to write the numbers that are less than 800 and greater than 790. Less than 800 and greater than 790. So we'll start from 790. Let's write. What comes after 790? 791. Then 792. 793. 794. 795. 796. 797. 798. And 799. And we will not write 800 because we had to write the numbers less than 800. Okay, now this part you have to do by yourself. In this you have to write all the numbers which are less than 554 and greater than 547. So you will start from writing numbers from 547, just like I did in this one, and you have to write till 553. You will not write 554. In next question you just have to put this or this symbol in these boxes. Okay, which one is less here, 596 or, okay, 596 is greater than 492, so we'll use the greater than symbol, which is this one. Okay, the next one is 638 is less than or greater 600 and it's 500, so this one is greater. Again we will use greater than symbol. And in this one it's 237, it's 231, so we'll use greater than symbol again. Okay, and in next one it's 531, it's 500 and it's 351, again it is greater, so we'll write greater than symbol. Okay, now it's 109 and it's 190, so now this one is less than this one because it's 109 and it's 190, so we'll use less than symbol. And the last one is left, 385, 496, so this one is less 300, so we'll use less than symbol. Okay, now we have to write the number names. Number name means we have to write this number in words. It's ones place, tens place and hundreds place. So what is in hundreds place? 2. It means we will write 200 and 9. 209. Again this one, it's 600 and 71. Then 800 and 40. So this is how we write numbers in words or number names. Now number names are already written and we have to write the number in figures in this form. In this form the number names are already written. So what is this? 362. Okay, so to write the number, first you have to write the places 1, 10 and 100. 300, so we'll write 3 in 100 column and 62. 507, 507, so we'll write 5 in 100 column and 7 in ones column. What will come in tens column? 0. 420, 420. Okay, now you have to write in numbers 2 hundreds, 6 tens and 4 ones. Okay, it's again the same. You have to write 1, 10 and 100. We always write this from the right side. First we write ones, tens, 100, then 1000 and so on. So how many hundreds are here? 200. So we'll write 2 in hundreds column, then 6 and then 4. Again 4 hundreds, 3 tens, 0 ones. 7 hundreds, 0 tens and 1 1. And these three parts you have to do by yourself. Again, what number does the abacus show? This is again the same. How many beads are in 100 rod? 4 bead. How many beads are in tens rod? 1. And how many beads are in ones rod? Let's count. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So it's 9. Okay, 2 beads in hundreds rod, 8 beads in tens rod and 0 beads in ones rod. And these two parts you have to do by yourself. Next, move on to the next slide. Okay. Okay, this is again the same question. You have to write the less than or greater than symbols. So I'm not doing this again because you have to do this by yourself. You have to compare the numbers and use greater than sign or less than sign. Let's do the 10th part. Okay, 10th question, in which you have to write the numbers in ascending order and descending order. Okay, here the scores are given of okay, these are some centuries scored by cricketers over the years, and we have to write these in ascending. What is ascending order? It is from smallest to the largest. Okay, we'll start from the smallest number and then we'll go towards the largest one, and in descending order we'll start from the largest one and we'll go towards the smallest one. We start from the largest one. Okay, first we'll write in ascending order. So what is the smallest number here? Okay, these are all in 300, so 100 digit is same. So we'll compare the tens digit: 2, 5, 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 0. So 0 is the smallest one, so this number is smallest. 307, and then 318, then 322, then 300 and what comes after 2, 3, 4, 347, then this one, then 354, then 368, 81, and 392. So the digit at hundreds place was same in all the numbers, so we compared the digit at tens place. Now we have to write in descending order. So what is the greatest number here? 392, then 381, then 368, 354, 347, then 322, and then 318 and 307. So this is how we arrange numbers in ascending and descending order. Write the number that comes before, after, and between. So we have to write before, after, and between numbers. What comes before 362? 361. What comes before 417? 416. And what comes before 738? 737. And what comes after 337? It's 338. Then what comes after 565? 566. What comes after 274? It's 275. Okay, between. So now what comes before 594 and after 592? It's 593. That comes between these two numbers. Then 157, 854, and these last two parts you have to do by yourself. Okay, now if you have any question, then you can contact on school's contact number. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.